You're listening to Only in Seattle.
Should you, if you're a seller, should you bury the St. Joseph statue to get your home sold?
Well, yeah, this may not surprise you. I don't believe in that stuff a ton, though I did purchase one, and one sits at my desk and has for 10 years.
So you don't believe in it.
Maybe
yet,
1 foot in, 1 foot out. Yeah,
you're just covering your bets.
I think we all
that's
are.
That's an insurance
yeah.
policy.
I think we all are. So yes, I have never buried one, but
okay.
I do have one in case I feel like I need it, I guess.
So for this podcast, I did a little research on the St. Joseph statue.
Yeah.
And there's a whole thing out there on how you do it.
Oh, I've heard. Yeah. Upside down or
upside down.
Right.
And so that's to get him to hurry up and sell the home. Get him out of there. He wants to get out.
Oh, you dig him up afterwards?
Yeah, you dig him up afterwards and take him,
know.
because then otherwise you are stuck in an endless list-sell cycle, and we don't want that. So when you see a home that's been listed and sold a bunch,
that might be.
Start
doing some digging.
Yeah, and also face him towards the for sale sign so he knows what to do. He needs to get that home.
That
sold.
is good to know.
Yeah,
that is good to know.
And if you're in a condo, you can put one in a pot on the front porch.
In the condo. Okay.
Yeah, there's a whole thing out there.
I may have to look at that.
Yeah, sounds like
if I believe in that, I may have to look into that.
It sounds like you're already covered.
Yeah.
But I have clients who've done that, and it's like, I don't recommend it, but if you want to do it, it can't really hurt. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video is out.